Yeah, what's up YouTube? It is Saturday the 24th of July 2022. It's actually Saturday the 23rd of July, sorry. And I'm doing some work on the turbine at the minute. It's very, very encouraging to see it spinning like that in what is probably not much more than 10 miles an hour winds. We're expecting 17 miles an hour tomorrow, so that is going to go really, really well tomorrow. There you can see it there wafting out of the wind description, which brings us to the tail. And I've decided that this is to be the new tail, which is made out of, I don't even know what it is, sorry. I don't even know what that is. It's some kind of, is it a kind of galvanized steel? But that is going to be the new tail. Oh! So that's going to be the new tail. I used my little plasma cutter on just over 30 amps and it didn't start out too well. Let's look at this bit. Didn't start out too well here, but then I cranked up the amperage and it did a sweet job. So the small tails need to come off the back and the black tail on the back will be replaced with the new tail. But very encouraging signs. Don't forget this is at a gear ratio of 1.4 to 1, and tomorrow in the 17 mile an hour winds I'm hoping to see multiple hundreds of watts continuously. Not 100% sure if I'll get the new tail on before tomorrow. So it's not really going to be making anything at this wind. Wait a second, see if it decides to have a bizzle. No, it slowed right down. So tomorrow the action will be brilliant, and we may or may not have a new tail, but you'll have to stay tuned in to find out, I guess. They've got quite a lot of other stuff going on at the moment, but the wind turbine tomorrow will be the only source of inspiration. She's a beauty, my friend, she's a beauty. Rinsing it round in the 10 mile an hour wind like a beauty she is.